Hey guys, welcome to Roost Fans again. This is our latest build, and it's fire engine red for a wonderful firefighter client of ours. He started the build off with a smart floor and a couple of seats. He also has a few extra seats that we'll be able to install behind, and when he's transporting a lot of folks, he can even flip up the flip-up kit on our flip-up kit bed system to install those additional seats. He also put in a strap-up bed up top. With the strap-up bed, you can lower it all the way down, and it serves as a great bunk bed solution along with our flip-up kit. Now the strap-up bed is autonomous. You don't have to have it with our flip-up kit. It can also go all the way down to the wheel well in the case that you don't have another bed in its way. He added a couple optional add-ons, such as these point-of-use lights on both sides. Great for the kitchen, say at night, where you want to tone the lighting down and you just want to do a little bit of work, maybe brush your teeth and not disturb everybody else, well, as much as you can inside a small camper van. Awesome option also over the bed in the back for reading at night before going to bed. Now our standard electric system includes wiring everything inside the van. Starting from the beginning, we installed our smooth rail mounting system, which attaches all of our upper cabinetry. The lower mounting system attaches all of our lower cabinetry and our bed system as well. And then we followed that up with insulation, electric, as I've mentioned, as well as upper bamboo paneling, mid-wall fabric paneling, and then lower wall HexPly paneling. Now another thing that he installed, which you've seen a little bit of already, is our standard kitchen cabinet. It does a great job storing the Goal Zero Yeti. It also has a hidden kick plate drawer. We have our isotherm fridge. We have our sink and double burner combo with glass top lids. So if you're not using the sink or the burners, then you can have a good space for food prep. Now I'll go ahead and pull up the flip-up kit bed panel, because in this cavity here we have a 20-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank. Plenty of water for any adventure with, say, your whole family, including 4 kids. Reach out to sales at Roost Fans for any of your build needs. We also do DIY products. Just about everything that you've seen here is available DIY, and you can install it yourself or bring it to our Portland, Oregon shop and have us install it for you.